Okay, what is voluntary and what is mandatory arbitration? So to start with, voluntary arbitration is where the parties voluntarily submit their dispute to an arbitrator. Now, don't be confused by the voluntary title. If individuals enter into a contract, even before the dispute arises, that says, if we have a dispute, we'll send it to arbitration, that is still voluntary arbitration. So it can be voluntary arbitration before the fact, or if a dispute arises and then they say, let's not litigate this, let's send it to an arbitrator. That likewise is voluntary arbitration. So in both situations, you're entering into an agreement together to submit it to an arbitrator rather than litigating the matter at trial. So again, that is voluntary arbitration. Mandatory arbitration, on the other hand, is when arbitration is either required by a court order or by law, okay? Which court orders had the force and effect of law. So in either case, when arbitration is required by law, that is mandatory arbitration. The reason the distinction is different is because if the parties after the arbitration want to seek to challenge the matter further, the standard for review is different between the two, which we'll discuss in a separate video.